Hello, how are you today? I'm show you how I make $100 selling simple digital products on Gumroad using AI. Look at the analysis. Last week I earned over $20 selling this ebook. Look, and last 50 days I earned $100 on Gumroad. I use and promoting this ebook on Threads, and I use the best software you can make a professional ebooks, recipes, business guides, storybooks, or any niche you want. Look at this. It's create different languages. It's not create ebook about in English. Look at this ebook. It's a professional. It's make a video inside your ebook. It's not like a old PDFs. Look at this. You got PDF. You got ebook. You can sell this over $20 per ebook. Look at this ebook. It's a business guide ebook, and you can make a video inside your ebook too. Look at this ebook too. Look at this. Look at this. This is a recipes ebook. It's a perfect. And now, if you want to create your first ebook, use Magic Books AI. I will leave the link in the description, and see you the next one.